Here are 6 high income skills that you can learn to make you rich in the shortest time possible. Now, these skills are some of the most in-demand skills, and you don't need a degree or college education to be able to get them. And make sure that you watch this video all the way to the end so that I actually show you the websites that you can use to learn these skills for free. Now, the first skill is sales and marketing. And this skill is so much in demand because there are so many businesses that get started every single day, but a lot of them need help with actually getting customers, getting people to actually buy their products and their services. So what you can do is that you can position yourself as a sales or marketing specialist who comes in to work with different companies and provides that service so that when they are in need of new customers, you are just the person who's going to help them to be able to find those customers easily. Now, think about this. If I come to you and I say to you, give me $10,000 just because you watched my YouTube video and you like me, chances are high that you're going to say, I'm crazy, $10,000 for what? But if I come to you and I say that I can help your business make $100,000 in the next 2 weeks, just pay me $10,000 for me to do that for you. Chances are high that you are going to say yes to me because you are weighing the value. Giving Marshall $10,000 and then I get $100,000 back in return. Chances are very high that you're going to just say yes. And so the ability to make such a deal comes from you gaining sales and marketing knowledge, such that you learn how sales actually work, how marketing actually works, and then you find businesses that are in need of assistance with this process. And then you just get paid for helping them get what they really want, which is just more customers. And so basically sales and marketing is just about the ability to persuade people to buy a certain product or a certain offer. This is a skill that you can actually learn and get people to say yes to what you're offering. I remember back in the days when I was working as a sales rep selling computers, I was starting to get people to buy any of the computers that I was selling until I started learning sales. And one of the things that you need to learn about sales is that people don't necessarily buy products, but people buy solutions to the problems that they have. So I started selling more laptops when I started focusing more on the benefits or the problems that having a computer would solve for the people I was trying to sell it to. So now, because a lot of business owners are stuck in their business, they're just trying to figure out how to get customers, how to pay the bills, how to do this, how to do that. They fail to communicate the value of what they are selling in the first place. And that's where you come in as a sales and marketing specialist. You help them to be able to communicate that value, present it before customers, and people actually buy. And you are going to be making lots of money doing this. Now, if you've achieved success in any of these skills that I'll talk about, or you know someone who has done so, please leave a comment in the comment section below and let us know your story. Just share your testimony and your experience. It might just help encourage someone to get started on this journey of using high income skills to grow their income. The second high income skill is copywriting. Copywriting is all about the use of words to sell. We are going to be taking written words. You're going to be putting them on stuff like maybe websites, sales pages, even social media. And you're going to be basically just using words to get people to buy products and services. Now, you might have the best product in the world, but if you don't know how to communicate its value on paper, or you don't know how to communicate its value using words, it'll be very difficult for people to actually buy. And that's why a lot of top companies invest in copywriters who will then help them to communicate the value of what they sell. One of the attributes of copywriters is that they are very good at storytelling. And storytelling is basically about creating these stories or sharing information that helps a customer be able to see the value of a product in their own life. For example, if I approach you today for the first time, you've never watched any one of my videos, and I told you that I'm selling something, chances are very high that you're not going to buy on the first time because we don't know each other. We don't yet have that trust. But if you give me your email address in exchange, for example, maybe a free video that will show you how to do something that you want to do in a short time period, I can then use email marketing plus my copywriting skills to be able to convince you to buy whatever it is that I'm selling, maybe in the next 3 to 4 weeks. Because on a daily basis, or maybe every 2 or 3 days, I can send you an email. And in those emails, I'm going to be using storytelling and copywriting for you to get to know me, to like me, and to trust me. In the online space, those are the 3 kings or the 3 things that you need to know in order to be able to sell anything. You need to get people to know, like, and trust you. And that can be achieved through amazing copywriting, using words to persuade people to buy your products and services. Another simple example of this is, let's say maybe you are applying for a job and then you need to present your CV The reason why some CVs are more enticing than other CVs is basically copywriting, your ability to sell yourself and persuade people to hire you instead of the other candidates. Skill number 3 is content creation or building a personal brand. This is when you're creating content on different platforms that positions you as someone who is knowledgeable about a certain topic. For example, people who watch my content and subscribe to my channel, they know me for talking about different ways of making money online. Therefore, I have become a personal brand of someone who can be trusted in terms of learning, of teaching different ways of making money online. And one of the interesting things about content creation is that you don't need someone to give you permission to become a content creator. You just decide to become a content creator. You start creating content that people find value in, and then you grow, and then you find yourself having these so much advantages. For example, platforms pay me money to create content. Companies pay me money to create content. I'm able to promote my own products and my own services. There are just so many ways that you can be making money from sharing content. And one of the other reasons why content creation is so much in demand is because brands are looking for people who have got influence in small segments. You don't necessarily have to have millions of followers, but if you're someone who has got the attention of a small group of people, that is their target audience. They actually will be willing to do business with you because they know that you might just maybe have 8,000 followers on Instagram, but those 8,000 people are loyal to you. And if you recommend, for example, a beauty product to them, the chances are very high that they will actually buy. So brands actually want to work with such people. And then in terms of what content can you actually create, there are so many types of different content. For example, I do video content, which is normally long form, but you can choose to do short form content on Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, or even TikTok. Or if you just want to focus on text-based content, you can use platforms like Twitter, or you can actually start a blog or website where you just share written words. If you're shy to be on camera, you actually can create video content that doesn't show your face, or you can go the podcast route. There are so many ways that you can go about it. But the idea is for you to start building an audience, people who follow you, such that when you suggest something to them, they are willing and able to buy from you. High income skill number 4 is email marketing. This is basically you communicating a product's value through emails. Now, this one goes in line with copywriting, except that copywriting is more broad because it can do with websites, can do with social media content, can do with email marketing and a whole lot more. But email marketing is more focused on building the know, like, and trust factor, helping you to get to know a company or someone's personal brand one-on-one. And then secondly, persuading you to actually buy whatever they have on offer. Now, this is the number one reason why a lot of websites always invite you to sign up for their newsletter. Or every single time you get onto a website, they offer you something for free. Like, for example, something just pops up and says, get my 10 ways to make money online. So that you can make money online in the new year. When you enter your email address there, you are getting that thing for free so that you can read it or watch it and do whatever you want with it. But what you're also doing is that you are giving access to that business to start marketing to you using email. And the reason why it's so important for companies to use email marketing is because in general, it takes between 7 to 14 touch points for someone to actually buy a product. In other words, most times someone won't buy a product the first time they interact with the brand, but the more that brand keeps in contact with them, keeps sending them emails that provide different levels of value to them, you end up trusting that company. And then you get to a point whereby you feel that, okay, I want to buy what they're selling to me. So now most business owners struggle with, okay, what am I supposed to write in these emails? Because business owners are just focused on running their businesses. They just focused on creating great products. They don't want to think about, okay, what should I say in an email? It's easy maybe to write one email, but now you have to write maybe 14 to maybe 30 different emails that will follow up on that person. And if that person does buy this product, you can't keep sending them those other emails that they were going to get. You need to send them other different emails to promote other different products. And it just becomes a whole complicated process, which is why email marketers are so much in demand. You're basically just going to be taking your copywriting knowledge and converting it into great emails that will help companies to actually get more sales. High income skill number 5 is building sales funnels. Sales funnels are similar to building websites, except that they have got one particular purpose, which is to maybe, for example, get someone to buy a product. Now, if you go into a website, you find many different options. There's a menu at the top. There's their contact us page. There's an option to go to their podcast, to go to their blog, to see their services, to go to home. There are so many different options on that page. But the way a sales funnel works is that they're only promoting one thing. You go to the page, maybe there's a video that they want you to watch. You watch the video, but there are no other options. There's no menu, nothing else. But there'll be a button there for you to either buy what they want to sell to you, or for you to just close the page because you're not interested in what they're selling. Sales funnels are very important to reduce distractions. A lot of times why people don't buy on people's websites is because there are just so many different distractions that are there on the website. So if you're using a sales funnel, it's going to help them get one particular outcome, which is you buying the service, or you're just going to leave the page. And now I'm sure you've seen lots of adverts that pop up on maybe YouTube. You're watching a video here, then someone is offering a webinar where he's going to be training you to do something. When you click on that advert, the first page there that you go there is what's called a landing page, and it's part of the process of a sales funnel. And so you notice that page there has got a certain structure, like maybe there's a great heading that just attracts your attention. There's a video somewhere there. There are buttons for you to click. There are testimonials. There's what's inside of whatever you're going to be buying or getting. Now, that whole structure that you're seeing there is what you're mainly going to be paid for as a sales funnel builder. You're going to have to learn how to build that page using different softwares. You're also going to learn how to write persuasive text, which is why I spoke about copywriting earlier on. And so basically, you're going to be making the whole sales process in a structured way so that the end result is that the owner who hires you actually gets more sales. And this is a billion-dollar industry because everyone who is in business wants to get sales. And so if you can help them create landing pages or sales funnels that are highly converting, they are probably going to be willing to pay you any amount of money that you are charging them. Then the next high income skill is paid traffic. Paid traffic is when you are using platforms like Google, like Facebook, like TikTok, or like Instagram. You are paying the platforms so that you can promote a company's products and services to a bigger audience. Now, one of the ways that companies can grow is by building a following. But what if you don't want to take the time to build a following? You just want people to start buying now. That's when you use paid advertising. So companies actually pay people who know how to create adverts on these platforms to create adverts for them so that they make more money. Now, you notice the key in everything that I spoke about here is that all these businesses, they want to make money. Therefore, you can charge them whatever you want as long as you are helping them to make way more than whatever you are charging. Now, I'm sure that even as you are here on YouTube and you're watching one of your favorite videos, an advert pops up, someone was paid to create that advert. While you're scrolling on Facebook and then you see an advert that's written sponsored at the top, someone was paid to do that. You're on TikTok, you're seeing these adverts about these apps and all these things. Someone is getting paid to just simply do that. And so this is a skill that you can learn and master and help these businesses to get the result of getting more sales, and they're going to pay you lots of money for that. So now that you know these high income skills, the next question is, where can I learn how to do these high income skills? As I promised earlier that I would show you, make sure that you watch this video next that will show you the different websites that you can use to learn these high income skills so that you can start making money online in no time at all. Also, make sure that you show your support for this video by hitting the like button, and make sure that you subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you'll be notified every time I drop more content just like this, designed to help you achieve financial freedom.